Welcome back all. My buy for the day is USDCHF. Okay, I'm in the buys. I've been in the buys for a while, probably around this area here, 9 o'clock. It came back and it's taken off. I'm expecting, let's go to the higher time frame. I think we're in a third wave. We're just starting the third wave. Okay, so this would be 1. So we've got a bigger 1, 2. I'm saying this 2 here is completed, and we've got from here 1, 2, looking for 3, 4, 5 on Euro USD. Okay, my target for this is firstly the 1618. I am expecting more than that, obviously, but for intraday, that's a great area right there at 0.8189. Okay, above this high, which will also confirm third wave is in play. It will also confirm third wave is in play. Okay, so we'll go to the 4-hour time frame and get these indicators off. Oh, they're off. Okay, so this is the look from the 4-hour time frame. All right, we just completed a correction wave down in would be a C or a Y wave. Hold on. Too many things running at one time now. I need to configure that UBS. Quickly go to the daily. Oh, that's right. I might not have even marked this chart completely. I'm using a different browser. That's it. But we'll go back to the 4-hour because my USD, in fact, let's go to USDCHF over here. USDCHF. Go to the 4-hour time frame and take off the indicators. Okay. There we go. It's the end of a B wave. So we're looking for a C wave. Okay, this is higher degree stuff. So you can see that's where the A wave is. You can see how corrective this is. Okay, the only impulsive moves we had here and here, which is a 5-3-5 zigzag, ending wave B. So we've had our 1 and a higher degree. I'll pull back in 2. Then we got another 1. Okay, let's adjust the chart. Had a very small 4th wave, so I didn't think we had our 4th wave yet. Okay, but yep, this 1 is complete. This 2 of this 1 is complete. Okay, there's a small chance that we could, swipe the low and go higher again. I don't think so. Okay, I think everything's fine here. I think that wick was intentional to send people down to try and basically induce people to sell. We're in a third wave, so those moves there will be aggressive to quickly shake people out before making a big sustained move to the upside, which is normal. Okay, so I will put the indicators on now. You can see that we came down to the 50 MA as we do. All right, even here we did, and we shot up above it, came back, pinned it at this order block. Okay, rejected the 50 MA. We had the highest volume to the downside in the last candle. That's very indicative of a C wave. Okay, because a 3 of 3 will end like that. A 3 of 3 will end like that. Then you'll get a 4, then you'll get a 5, and that 5th wave would diverge. Okay, but as you can see, if this was 1, 2, 3, 4's come up high. We can't hit the 0.618 fib retracement of wave 2 and still be in a 4th wave. Okay, the 4th wave doesn't reach the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. It should stop at around the 50% to the 0.236%. So the 0.236% could be the fourth wave retracement, so could the 0.382, and so can the 50. Even with the 50, that's kind of deep. When we hit the 0.618, that's an invalidation, okay? That's another reason why also you saw I just took off the 0.618 here, okay? That's another confirmation that this had to be something complete, either an ABC or a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Because from this, if this was 1, 2, 3, we've come down below the 0.618. So we can't be 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's another reason why we know that this move up here is a completed structure. And if we go to the 1 hour time frame, you'll see there's a clearer 4 in there. Okay. It is a bit, it could be counted on this time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I'm happy to say that's one. A break above the high would confirm that. You can see that we came down, manipulated the channel low, or you can say trend line. Okay, we manipulated it. When we did that, we got bullish divergence. I'm saying it without even checking. I can just see, you can just tell by the kind of move down we had that we did have bullish divergence, and that's on a 1 hour time frame. Okay, it got us above the 50 MA, 2 closes above, a quick inducement lower, taking out this high, taking out this one wave, would confirm that we're well in the third wave here. Okay, onto Euro USD. I was trying to short Euro USD. Now I actually think it's possibly a short. I actually think it's a short now on Euro USD, but I'm going to stay out of that. Currently, yeah. Well, I wouldn't be surprised if we swiped this high. If we came into this imbalance, we got a wickless candle over here and then dropped. This was frustrating me, to be honest. I was going with a 1, 2. I was a bit suspect about the 3, 4, 5 from the get-go, because as you can see at the top here, price came back from this high. So if that was 1 and this was 2, we retraced about 90%. You don't even need the fib. Yeah, so we definitely hit the 0.886 here, which is rare for a 2 wave in a 1, 2. It's rare for a 2 wave. It's very common for a B wave, X wave, corrective structures. So this is telling me a flat. Could have been a flat here, X wave here, and then a zigzag in a A, B, C, or a W, X, Y. So therefore, surprising as it is, I believe this is A, B, C. A could have ended there or there, doesn't matter. B ends here in the zigzag. Then we get a flat, X wave, zigzag, ending wave C. So I think we're in a bigger correction, because I do believe that the pound is on its way to the downside to give us a deeper correction and a green wave C, which should get to this low, okay, and it can exceed it. Okay, we're looking at an expanded flat here from here. Wave 1, 3 wave down in A, WXY, 3 wave move. Okay, W, X, and Y, 3 wave move in B. So that's a 3. Looking for a 5 wave down in C. Okay, now we got 1, 2, and then potentially 1, and we're getting 2 again. Otherwise, the only other thing I would have thought of was an expanding diagonal. In this expanding diagonal, though, the fourth wave cannot be, sorry, not expanding, contracting diagonal. The fourth wave cannot be longer than the second wave, and it is. So I'm more keen to go 1, 2, 1, 2, and then look for the 3 down. Okay, so let me even mark. Sorry, give me a second. So as much as this is looking like ABC, and therefore that's how I have it marked, and this high does look like a target. Okay, if we were to take this high, 1212 is obviously gone. ABC will stay. Okay, it's just I would be really surprised if we did take that high. I'm a bit reluctant to even look for account for that. It can't be 123. It can be 1212, and it can be ABC. Okay, we did come and take out. Yeah, we didn't really know. We respected this demand level. This demand is the level we want to see break, so we can look for the move down here, or at least to the area of the previous A wave. Okay. Um, I'm going to leave it there, and I'll come back and do another analysis. So this was USD and USD. Okay, USD is my chart for the day, potentially for the whole week, as I'm expecting a third wave. So I'm fold here. On top of that, it's a Monday with no news, so this will probably be a bit draggy. They'll probably put the third wave in fast and give us a long fall. Probably finish 5 slowly in the Asia session. It's just a guess, but that seems likely to me. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll be back in a few hours. Peace.